Hey everyone, Marvin Kane here with installment number 13 in our Answer Man series. Today I want to talk about thin content. So what do you do if your business is located in one city and you do business with several surrounding cities and towns and you want to rank for searches that use the names of those cities and towns in the search query? Well, let me tell you first of all what not to do. You don't want to just simply create a list of all of those cities and towns and put it on your website somewhere on the footer or in the sidebar. Now, although there might be some value to that if a user goes and sees that, oh, my city is in that list, they do business in my city, that's great. But if we're talking about making points with Google and scoring well on searches for those cities and towns, a list like that is absolutely no help. It's a complete waste of time. So what can you do? Well, if your business, let's say, is located in Salem, Massachusetts, and you want to rank for searches that include neighboring towns like Beverly, Swampscott, Marblehead, Danvers, Lynn, what you can do is create city pages. That is to say, create separate pages for each one of the cities that you service and that you want to get found for. There is a huge caveat here, however. You see, there's a right way and a wrong way to do that, or should I say an effective way, and a way that will just disappoint your visitors and perhaps get you in trouble with Google. What you don't want to do is simply just create a page that has the name of your company with a few lines that talk about how you do business in that city, and maybe you include a picture or two that is easily connected to that city, like a Main Street photo or a town hall, and then use that page as your template for creating all your other city pages. Just copy and paste, and all you're doing is swapping out the pictures and changing the names of the cities. That, my friends, is thin content. And in Google's definition of thin content, it's simply content that doesn't provide any real value to users. There's only a paragraph, and it's very clear to users and to Google that you really didn't spend a whole lot of time doing this. So if you want to create city pages that really will help you rank, well, you need to put some work into it. First of all, you need to make sure that all those pages are unique, that they're all different from one another. Maybe you've done business in that city and you have a happy client who'll be more than willing to write a review, and you can put that on that particular city page. Maybe you have an employee or two that lives in one of these cities, and then you can talk about, hey, look, we're all your neighbors. Maybe you want to talk about some of the history of the attractions in that city, so that people have some idea when they go on the page that, hey, this is interesting stuff. Maybe you want to consult the Chamber of Commerce for that city and extract some interesting information. And of course, you always want to tie all of this back into your business and what you do and how what you do relates to that city. So the takeaway is this: if you want effective city pages, you want to make those pages interesting, you want to have substance, you want to have character, you want to have something that holds a user's interest. And if it holds a user's interest, it will hold Google's interest. Remember, Google only loves you when everyone else loves you first. So this is Marvin Kane inviting you to get found, do business, and succeed. Thanks for watching.